MeatStick. Seriously, MeatStick, that's what they named this product, and it absolutely fits when you see it in action. I can't express the praises for this device enough. You're seeing more and more of this style of wireless temperature probe existing out there. Just the feature alone with the deep on the tip probe temperature, midway up the shaft temperatures, and then all the way ambient out there on the ceramic end. It's giving you information that's worthwhile to have and enables you to track your cook even better. The part that I love about this is it takes me back to my military days where frequently I either referred to people as MeatStick or was even referred to as the MeatStick. This will bring back memories for a lot of you.
Did you get that from Abercrombie?
MeatStick. MeatStick.
No, it's not. What made you think you could get away with it?
MeatStick.
What was it?
MeatStick.
You wasn't issued one? Oh, crap.
MeatStick, good for your hand. MeatStick, wrap it in hand.
I'm not even sure there's a better name for a temperature probe product out there.
Good for your head. Buy MeatStick today.
No messing around, I'm going to jump right into the nitty-gritty where the rubber meets the road, what you get on the action screen for this. Select pre-programmed meat-specific recipes. Graphic representation of the cook-in process with your alarms, and some of those can be even set up custom. This is quite possibly the most beneficial part. End of probe, middle of probe, exterior of meat, and then ambient temperature all at once. Graphic representation of the cook over time for full length on each of those temperature points. Elapsed time and time remaining. The time remaining portion is really cool when it gets down to the final hours of the cook. It gives you a direct idea of what track you're on. That's pretty valuable when you've got people showing up. Cleanup is super easy. Hand wash, soap and water. Make certain that the silver end is as bright as the day that you got it, as the instructions say. It runs on AA batteries, recharges it when you bring back to home. It's simple button clicks, and you won't believe how much the app keeps you on target and in line. It makes corrections for you, gives you warnings, and it's very intuitive. I'm not super smart with apps, but even me, with the feedback that you get from the app and how it walks you through setup and changes, it's intuitive. Keeps you moving forward without that level of frustration. A link to purchase will be in the description below the video. I also wanted to take a quick second to show you the app as you start it up and kind of the steps that it takes you through. Again, I just wanted to stress how intuitive this is to use, not painful at all. I am very impressed with this cooking device, this temperature probe. I can't wait to do a reverse sear on a big fat steak. Let's see how that goes. This video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist you might just enjoy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.